Welcome back. We back. Yeah. Here's an update. We got a pan in and a whole lot of random metal going on here. Can't. We're trying to put new wire in here. So, getting the oils out real quick. Finishing up. Alright, don't take it. It's alright, my standards. It's a cheap F-150, alright, don't fucking question it. It's actually what's free. The cheapest way. Which is the best way in my eyes. I'm gonna go. Can I clamp onto this? No. There's no good metal on the bottom of this, so I don't really want to use it. I mean, I guess this was working for me yesterday. Just keep her there, man. Right on the edge of the trail, I gotta try to keep it straight. This is kind of my gauge right here. You see how straight it's gonna be. I think I'm gonna have to push down a little bit just to keep it. Boop, boop. You guys see it, right? Probably not. I don't know. There you go. Now, we're gonna go here. Go down with it there. Keep it straight, right? Yeah. You guys will see what I'm talking about here. Can even use my little hand skis. Perfect. Alright, so now I'm just gonna tack here. Maybe not too far because I have to weld this too somehow. Maybe like a L fucking shape with a little bend in it. But I don't fucking know what the hell's gonna give. I don't. Alright. Oh yeah, we're good. We're golden. Turn the amps up real quick and get this shit flowing. I just want to get this in place. forgot to open up the driver door. It's gonna be smelling like welding here for a few days. Got the other or sheet metal. Look at this. I just need a corner of it to fit. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't think you can get any more butt than that. Maybe I should show you guys. Come on in. Look at that. It's not even that bad. You know, after all in all, it's all good. It'll be one piece, you know. These welds are good. Really good, really good. Really good, really good. Okay, that's what you guys are gonna have to do.